Do you struggle to trust yourself to know what you really need? So often we're looking for answers outside of ourselves. We're looking for answers here on YouTube. We're looking for answers in books and podcasts. We're looking for answers going to see a therapist, hoping that they're going to tell us what we need to do. All of those places have a place. But my message to you in this video is that we have far more wisdom inside of ourselves than often we give ourselves the credit for. This is partly a leftover from childhood, where in childhood, if we didn't get our needs met, when in childhood we are, of course, dependent upon other people to meet those needs, we learn to feel there's something wrong with us. And then we often find that things happen in the outside world that slightly make us feel better, then we're looking outside of us for the answers. The difference is, of course, now as an adult, you've learned so much. So often people are in the role of caregiver for their own children, and they've developed all of these capacities that maybe they didn't experience in their own childhood, and they've learned to give them to other people. They haven't yet learned to give them to themselves. One way I like to put it is we are infinitely more resourceful than we give ourselves credit for. So when it comes to figuring out what we need on the healing journey, rather than immediately looking outside of yourself, I want to invite you to look more internally. Think about it like this. We have wisdom in 4 different places. You have wisdom in your mind, in your head, but you also have wisdom in your heart, in your feelings. You have wisdom in your body, your sort of gut instinct. There's also wisdom in your relational field, in the contacts and the ways that you experience other people. If you can have a deeper access to all of that wisdom, that can become a real guide. That can become a real support for you on your journey. It doesn't mean that you're not consuming content from other places, but the place from which you're experiencing that content is more deeply integrated and more deeply connected. Now, here's the thing. When we don't feel like we have the clarity, we don't have the wisdom that we need, we either look outside of ourselves, or what we typically do is we go more into our mind. We try to think our way to a feeling of clarity. But notice, it's a feeling. You can't think your way to a feeling of clarity. So when I need to make a big decision in my own life, whether it's a decision at work, a decision in my personal life, and I'm not clear, rather than just trying to think about it more, there's a question that I ask myself. What do I need to help me find more clarity? That might be I need to talk to someone. I need to activate that relational wisdom. It may be that I need to connect to my feelings. It may be that I'm thinking too much, but I don't know how I feel about it. Or it may be I just need to get more embodied. So rather than trying to get there in my mind, it's a question of what do I need more of? Because going back to where we started, we have so much more wisdom than we realize. The more we go into our head, it's almost like we narrow more and more what we have access to. If we can slow things down, connect to our heart, to our body, connect to other people, we open up so much more support. You should never feel like you're making a big life decision without all of the information that you need. But the information is often not more thoughts, it's more connection to these other places. So I want to give you a little challenge. The best way to grow this capacity is to practice. And we don't have to practice with the biggest things in life. So look at some of the little day-to-day decisions. Like, for example, you get invited to go out in the evening, you're not quite sure if you want to go. Or you're trying to decide what to have for supper, right? Whatever it may be. And think about it in your mind, and then connect to your heart. How do I feel about this? And then listen to your body. What does my body feel about this? and then take in some information from other people, maybe have some dialogue. Play around with it with some smaller life decisions and practice inviting in more of that wisdom. Because I think what you're going to discover is you may well make a lot of better decisions, but also when it comes to the bigger life challenges, we have more capacity to really listen to the wisdom that is within us. Let me know in the comments below this video what's helped support you in trusting yourself more fully. And I hope that's been helpful. Thank you for watching.